Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got x plus y equals to 41, and then we are going to find the value of x minus 20 raised to the power 2021 plus y minus 21 raised to the power 2021. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this given equation. And here's our equation, and let's go ahead and move this 41 on the left hand side. And here's our new equation, and let's go ahead and tweak this negative 41. I can write this thing as negative 20 and then minus 21. So therefore I can write this equation as x minus 20 and then plus y minus 21 equals to 0, and we can see that negative 20 and negative 21 is going to give us a negative 41. And now this part can be written as in terms of parentheses. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So let's go ahead and move this part on the right hand side. So we're going to have x minus 20 equals to, when we move this one on the other side, become negative y minus 21. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on this expression now. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and replace this part by this one, as you can see in this equation 1. So therefore I'm going to replace this x minus 20 by negative y minus 21 whole power 21, and then plus everything is going to be same, y minus 21 power 21. And here we can see that we have a negative sign inside this bracket, and we have odd power, so that is going to yield a negative sign as well. Therefore this could be written as negative outside y minus 21 whole power 21, and then plus y minus 21 power 21. Now we can see that this negative and positive, they cancel each other out. That means this is going to be equal to 0. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be equal to 0. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.